just need to polish sports person so that they should not fail with the fear of competition. We have seen pre-competitive anxiety exist in most of the sports person. Most of the sports person, they give us the best of the results during trials and practice. But when they go to a competition, their heart, their respiration goes up and they are not able to perform. So sports psychologist role is to let us know that how I can be calm, receptive, relaxed when I am performing in competitions.
This course essentially aims to make the students understand about the kind of situational experiences an athlete goes through, that is the confidence problems, or for that matter psychological pressures they go through, that is clutch performance as well, what kind of emotional experiences they have, be it burnout or aggression issues as well. They also learn about the careers in sports psychology, what is the scope of sports psychology, and also how best can a sports psychologist, the coach and the athlete together work around for an optimal performance. They also learn a lot about the team dynamics and the leadership roles as well as well-being in this course. And lastly, they finally learn to tread on a path of a winning mindset.
It's a kind of a training which we can provide to sports people so that during the competition they can reduce their mental stress or mental anxiety and can perform better. This particular course will definitely help all the sports psychologists so that they can help sports person to do better.
It was a lot of fun. It was very interactive. It was actually very inclusive to non-psychology students. Right now, I think this is a very, very good elective, and if I would 100% recommend this to anyone else, because the energy in this classroom, it's very conducive. It's a very contagious energy.